So I had a meeting with Amit today, and basically what we did is tried to set up the layout for the gameplay HUD. So you notice that the systems are moved over to the left side, bottom left side here, as well as the weapons. And then, so that there's more space for the player and enemy ship once they're in battle. So another thing is in the top left here, the player ship information and resources, as well as the crew members, have also been changed and worked on. And also I worked on the what do you call it? Cargo screen. So when I press this, it shows up the cargo screen now, and it works. So right now it just stores. It works like it does previously, where it just stores systems. So I can move my weapons there, as well as the weapon controller. But we're probably gonna change this. It's not how it's supposed to work right now. Only the weapons would be able to change, but I'm just still working in the same system. I just replaced the UI element. So I just wanted to get this to work first before touching anything else. So yeah, and also the weapons have a different icon now, which is much better than the previous one, I think. Okay, I guess. Wait, that was a bug. Let me just fix that quickly. Okay, so yeah, it works now. There was a bug where when I drag from the weapon controller, it doesn't. The slots here disappeared, but it was an easy fix. So there, I can drag my systems around like normal, and that works for the playable version. This part is still work in progress. Okay, so for the UI, that's pretty much the main stuff. If I go to the to the enemy, you can see there's enemy UI as well. Right now it's enemy ship name and its type, I guess, and as well as the information. And you notice that there's kind of like mirrored. So Amit's reasoning for this is because when you look at the health, the first thing you'll see is that it's evasion, then shield, then hull health. So when the projectile's coming towards a ship, and that kind of makes sense since how it's calculated is that it will first check the evasion chance, and then if the evasion hits, then it will decrease the shield if there is, and then that's the time to affect the hull health. So that's why it's laid out like this. We're also gonna have a captain, but right now I don't have a captain mechanic yet, so I don't like a mechanic where if the captain dies, the game ends. So that's why for now the captain is just like a visual indicator, but we're gonna have a captain in the game as well. And you can see the UI is working for the enemy ship. What is okay? Here, I power this up. Okay, let me try destroying them. Oh, they're both hull destroyers, and I don't have ammunition. Okay, wait. Oh, I guess I'm dying. Oh yeah, I just realized I have to work on the dead screen. But that's probably gonna be... Gonna do that with the flavor text. What else can I show? Yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. I spent a lot of time working the cargo system because I had to refactor the entire UI for this. I did that because the previous one, when I took a look at it, the spaghetti was so much that I just decided to work from it from scratch again. And yeah, I have a better system now. And yeah, Amit's gonna playtest this version of the game. and yeah, I already uploaded his version, so probably there will be a video about him playtesting the game. And yeah, right now I just focus mainly on the UI, so some of the bugs that were mentioned in the previous playable state is probably still there. And I just realized I forgot to remove the debug here. Okay, let me just redo that quickly. Okay, that's it for my next steps. Probably gonna work on the UI still, but this time on the dialogue. Focus on the dialogue, and yeah, I already have my list of to do, so I know what to work on next. But there's also a bunch of bugs which I would like to look into as well. Yeah, a lot of stuff to do, and yeah, just gonna worry about it next week. Thanks for watching.